first memory when he was born, uh, I was in Bombay only. Obviously, he was born in Bandra only. 16th Road में एक hospital होता था. You know, husband wife were running that place. And
गुलराज
नहीं, नाम नहीं याद है, कितने साल हो गए. बट वो क्या, मेरे ब्रदर के भी बच्चे उधर हुए, मेरे भी दोनों उधर हुए, मतलब यू नो वही फेमस. सब तो रिटायर्ड हो गए थे, अभी पता नहीं है कि नहीं वो डॉक्टर्स हस्बैंड है. सो देयर इट वाज एंड it was a great joy. Obviously, we all family reached there and all. I was on and off, inside, outside. I was working also. So this was तो बढ़िया था. मतलब अब बच्चे पैदा होते हैं, कैसे होते हैं.
So but did you want sorry.
Second son it was. After Rohit he had come. Yeah, this one. And he was born. और उसके बाद मैं उस समय पाली हिल में रहता था, डिम्पल के बगल में. I remember when he was born, मेरी पिक्चर मतलब तब शुरू हुई थी. एज अ डायरेक्टर I became that year.
फर्स्ट डायरेक्शन.
हाँ, फर्स्ट डायरेक्ट. ताकतवर पिक्चर थी. एंड मतलब मेरी पिक्चर शुरू हुई और ये पैदा हो गया.
ओके.
फिर मैं दूसरे घर में भी शिफ्ट हुआ उसी साल. बड़े घर में, मतलब अब 2 bedroom hall and Carter Road. I shifted there after that. I mean a few months back. इसके आने के बाद. So and I worked very hard. मतलब मैं तब, और वहाँ से you know my period also started going up and up, you know.
So he has been lucky for you.
Yeah. He's been, you know. और फिर obviously you know आंखें released in 93 and then you know how it was.
He was born in which year?
He was born in 87.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay.
87 में डायरेक्टर बना ना. So obviously I became a director. I shifted to a little bigger house also. All that happened that year also.
Right. So नाम किसने रखा इसका? आपने या आपके?
नाम, इसका नाम मैंने रखा है, बट कमाल है वो किस्सा है यार. You know, मैं जब कार्टर वहाँ रहता था ना, डिम्पल के पास रहता था, जो बगल में धर्मजोत बिल्डिंग है.
वो डिम्पल कुमार गौरव का जो,
हाँ, जो थिएटर था ना उधर. अब नहीं है, था उस समय. तो मैं सुबह उठ के कार्टर रोड में वॉक पे जाता था. I used to go for walk every day. और वॉक से जाता था तो मैं ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक नई बिल्डिंग बनी थी. बहुत अच्छी बिल्डिंग लगती थी मुझे, जब एवरी डे टू क्रॉस पे. और उस बिल्डिंग का नाम वरुण था.
ओके.
एंड दैट्स हाउ यार आई समहाउ आई सेड यार ये बहुत अच्छा है यार. आई लाइक दिस नेम. देन आई टोल्ड माय मदर. एंड दैट्स हाउ द नेम वरुण केम.
Okay. He also liked it. Okay. So which was the
he
game? He
didn't have any choice.
I know. And which was the games he liked? Games कौन सी पसंद थी?
Games he used to play. He was a sportsman. Like I said, the best game he liked was running. यार. He was an athlete, amazing athlete. You know, he won a lot of medals in school and college also. बहुत medals जो उसके ऑफिस के कमरे में सब लगे हुए हैं. And ये बीच में चला जाता है. He used to sweat out. He used to run. मतलब he used to practically come first यार.
Okay.
Apart from that, he loved swimming.
Okay.
He used to go for swimming. Then even cricket भी बहुत खेला है ये.
Does he go swimming now?
Swimming he goes. मतलब जब भी मौका मिलता है, he just dives into the pool यार. You know, yeah. He loves swimming. And he's a great athlete, running wise.
क्रिकेट अभी देखते हैं?
क्रिकेट हाँ देखता है. उसको दिखाता रहता हूँ ना मैं, जब भी शूटिंग से आया, कुछ ऑन हुआ है, IPL चल रहा है, तो वी कीप वाचिंग ना. Cricket is a big sport in the house, because of me actually. I've been a great cricket fan and player. So both the sons I put into it, so they enjoy the game, you know.
Yeah. So who is your favorite cricketer?
मतलब पहले का और अभी का. Among today, you know, everybody loves Tendulkar. Tendulkar, and his date of birth and this Tendulkar is the same. You know that?
Yeah, I know that.
Today's Tendulkar's 42nd birthday.
Yeah.
So he too loves Tendulkar, obviously, you know. And we all have loved him, yeah. You know, we enjoyed his game, seeing him playing. But now that अभी ये वनडे एंड T20 के बाद, you know, game बहुत change हो गई है. Cricket has become very fast, you know. It's a very dangerous game, not easy game, you know.
Yeah.
The speed has become very speed, you know.
Correct.
So there are a lot of players, you know. अभी तो एक से एक अच्छे players हैं. Virat is doing well. I hope he does well. यार, he's a damn good cricketer, यार.
Yeah.
For India. And Dhoni has really played well. Dhoni's been damn good, यार. One of the best captains India has had, यार.
Correct.
I've seen him playing, you know, since he's come.
Correct.
Cricket is there in Indians, यार. वो तो घुसा हुआ है ना.
True.
हमारा national sport हो गया एक तरह का आज cricket.
That's right. So, sir, any complaints he had from teachers, any study?
अरे teachers would have complained from him. मस्तीखोर करता था यार बहुत यार. हाँ. So class में teachers used to love him, but he was very naughty also, you know, at the same time. And दोस्तों यारों के साथ, he had his own set of friends, you know. And you won't believe his school friends are still his friends.
Okay.
You won't believe. इसका बर्थडे आज कल रात को ये लोग इसके दोस्त सब आए हुए थे स्कूल के. मतलब मानिक जी कुपर के लड़के जो साथ में पढ़ते थे ना, they 4-5 of them, they still, you know, bond very well and he loves them यार. इसको वो दोस्ती ज्यादा पसंद है.
अच्छा, he didn't go out with the industry last night?
No, his own people यार. वही तो मैं देखता हूँ, he's so down to earth and he's always been यार like that. समझे ना? He's always been very low down to earth, you know.
He's very, very soft-spoken and very polite, which is what I have observed. How does
and he's very respectful. Like, लेकिन तू उसको जानता भी नहीं होगा, तेरे को introduce कराओ कोई करेगा, you see how he'll beat you.
No, but where does it come from?
It's there. Obviously, the mother's there, na. I've been working throughout my career, yaar. Is the mothers brought them the kids very well, yaar. मार के पढ़ाया यार. इनको पढ़ाना आसान होता है बच्चों को क्या? You know how it is, yaar. You know, and he studied very well, मतलब.
So आपकी कभी वाइफ से झगड़ा नहीं हुआ कि आप हाथ मत उठाओ?
नहीं, हाथ कभी उठाती नहीं है, मगर वो चिल्ला चिल्ली तो होती है ना पढ़ाई में. आपने भी बहुत मार खाई होगी पढ़ने में रुचि. So that is everywhere, यार. But a student turns out, na, and they rely on the mother a lot, you know.
Yeah, I agree.
तो अभी भी, you know, he relies on the mother, you know, मतलब सुबह उठाना, खिलाना, पिलाना, भेजना.
अभी भी
he's pampered यार.
अभी भी मम्मी उठाती है उसको. हाँ.
नहीं, अभी लेट होता है, उठना है, उठा नहीं, क्या कर रहा है, you know. No, everything. Discipline is very much, has always been there in my house. That's because of me. Very disciplined. मतलब time से जाना, time से करना काम ये वो. He's been that. He's very conscious about his work, यार.
Yeah. So tell me, did you warn him when he joined acting? You know, acting is an unstable.
I didn't even know when he joined acting. Can you beat it? I'm a director. He's traveled everywhere all over the world with me, seen films, loved. Matlab all the actors, he knows them personally. Obviously, he's my son and all. And you know, he passed on from Nottingham. He did his college there. And he came back. And अचानक ही I thought अभी कहीं नौकरी करेगा या कुछ करेगा, कोई business management ये वो. And one day Lali says he wants to join direction, यार. He went and met Karan and he joined the film. His film he was making. My Name is Khan. And he joined. He went to America. पूरी picture की बहुत religiously. And one day, all of a sudden, Karan comes and tells me. I mean, he comes home and tells me, Lali, matlab, and I want him as the hero. He's going to. I'm taking him as the hero. He took his photo session, came and showed me the photos. And achak it was announced Karan Johar directs. जो बताया नहीं था, बाद में बताया कि he is directing. And Varun and Siddharth are the heroes, two boys. And both were his assistants also.
Yeah.
It was great, yaar. He was, matlab, this is how it's all on his own, yaar. Effort.
Yeah, he's a self-made man now.
Self, I would say definitely, yaar, you know. And he doesn't want to use me, matlab, or something. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
He wants to do it himself. He has that, you know.
But has he consciously built up this image of dancing, Govinda, Salman type?
No, not really.
Or
that also, you know, he used to enjoy. Yeah, but it's showing एक आदमी का inherent होता है ना. तो वो तो automatically मतलब he was a good. He used to love music. शादियों में हम लोग के families में, you know, he used to dance and all, you know. झिझकता नहीं था. One thing is there, वो झिझक नहीं है. You know, that is very important, you know, for an actor, you know.
Correct. That, no inhibitions, yeah.
No inhibitions, definitely.
Yeah. So he opens up easily, demanding of the scene, yeah.
Yeah, very, very. You know, he's very respectful. That is one thing very good, yeah. He keeps my respect everywhere with my friends, my colleagues and all.
So what has worked in his favor according to you? This being soft spoken, being dancer?
No, you got to be a better actor also. You have to be a better actor also. No? His work, hard work, you know, dedication. You know, that to hit you against the ball and strike back, you know.
But does he practice scenes at home? Have you seen him in front of the mirror?
He does. I don't know, but he does in his room and all. He works hard. He goes through his lines and all, everything. He reaches a set prepared totally. Because when I made a film with him, he was very prepared when he used to come. I can tell you with my experience, when I directed him. Yeah. No, he's very prepared. Yeah, very, very. Yeah. No, he doesn't take it lightly. He knows the cutthroat business. You know, today, you got to be very good. Yaar.
Cutthroat है हाँ.
Cutthroat मतलब 10 और बाहर खड़े हुए हैं यार. Newcomers are coming. Time change हो गया ना. People are accepting newcomers. Huh?
Yeah, that's there.
So see, then that competition will always be there. That makes you tougher, na?
Yeah.
You have to be the best, yaar. So that's it.
Correct.
Public hai yaar ye.
I know, real one.
Yeah.
So, do you improvise on him sometimes? कोई picture देख के don't do like this, do like that.
No, I do. I otherwise improvise. यार मेरा तो है ही ना style.
Then.
And I've really worked hard on him on improvising. You know. Taught him, you know, all that, and he does it very well. Yaar. He's on a front foot.
So he listens to you very easily.
Yeah, but he debates also. If he doesn't like something, he'll tell me I'll do it like that and all. He has his own mind there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you worried now, even if he's grown up, when he comes home late, जब भी बच्चा था?
No, he comes up late, but I'm on the phone with him to know where he is and all. Yeah. We are like parents, yeah. The same thing. Like
but he always tells you where he is and.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Okay.
That has to be, na? Yeah, also.
And how do you react as a father when you read rumors about him, link-ups?
No, I've been in this trade since so long, yaar.
Pardon?
I know what. मैं तो इतने साल हो गए यार. मुझे 37 years हो गए यार.
हाँ.
इन link-ups को देख के यार, nothing like that. Yeah.
You don't question him?
No, nothing to question him. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Hardly anything.
Rumors are a part of the industry, what you're saying, huh?
Yeah, यार ये तो होता ही रहता है. You know how it is. यार. You've been in this line since.
Yeah.
Talking about this since so many years.
True, I have seen it all. Like.
Yeah, you've seen it more than me.
So sir, I just want to know that last thing, payback time it is right. Like you all had a period which
correct.
is.
I had a golden period, if you say.
And then there was this lull, you know, suddenly.
Yeah.
And then.
But I kept working, na. You know that, na.
Yeah.
The work never stopped. I feel it's payback time now, na.
Payback time by Varun, by Dhawan.
Yeah, obviously it comes back, and I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
Okay.
But now I'm going to wear my shoes again now.
For direction.
Now. Yeah, obviously. I'm working on it. It will take a little time. Where are the scripts? You people should give us scripts ideas, right? You people are writers also.
Yeah, scripts have become very scarce.
Very, very scarce, yeah.
So are you casting Varun?
Let's see, let me work on the script first, now. Then only I'll decide, now.
But was that
obviously I will.
You will, yeah.
Yeah.
But tell me one thing, was it tough that period when आपकी picture बीच में line चली और फिर वरुण भी बहुत छोटा था and there was not much of entertainment and glamour in the house? And...
No. I'll tell you one thing. See, if you see my graph, from 93.
93.
When I hit Shola, when Aankhein was released. From there till now, I've never looked back. Up and down हुआ है, but never looked back. Hits कितनी है यार, एक के बाद एक. My record, nobody's got this record. Tell me one guy who's made so many films, so
body
many
of
hits
work also. Yeah.
Nobody. So that is why, na. That respect I've always got.
So there was never any moment of depression.
No, that is between me.
Huh?
That is between me. If my film is not done well, that was between me, you know.
It was only you, huh?
But my inner realization.
But you never reflected it on your family, you are saying?
No, never.
Okay.
It doesn't, yeah. Because I kept working, na. I've directed 3 films on the floor, yeah. मैं देखो ना एक टाइम में 3 पिक्चरें करता था यार, एक खत्म हुई दूसरी शुरू हो गई, तो that didn't give me time to think much also. It was the show must go on. चलो फिर चल गई दूसरी, फिर ऐसे तो होता ही रहता था ना. अभी last 2 films, both of the films did well. Imagine now, Chashme Badur and मैं तेरा हीरो.
Yeah.
So
now he's signing films left, right, center or whatever. Does he discuss with you that should I sign?
Yeah, he does. No, he does. He asks me, this is a script, this is a line. Takes my view, definitely. He does.
Okay.
No, fully यार. अभी तक तो पूरा अच्छी तरह. He does. I give my view and sometimes it's his decision. Like Badlapur is his decision, na? He wanted to do the film.
You didn't want him to do?
No, I didn't say no, but I told him, yaar, Howli, this is a very dark film, but it was his decision, which has worked big time for him, yaar.
Yeah. No,
that's his.
Yeah, it has taken him to a space where
different, yeah.
It's just not the Gana Bajana, huh?
नहीं. ठीक है.
So sir, thank you so much and
और तू मुझे मेल करना, तू बोल रहा था.
Of course, मैं अब भी करता हूँ आपको. And please take care of your health. Huh?
Yeah, that is more important.
Yeah, it's very important. So I will come and meet you one of these days.
Yeah, we will get that.
Thank you so much, sir.